Today we are going to be testing out the Soopro Cosmetic Seal Spray. It's a waterproof makeup locking mist. The testimonies that I've heard about this product is a lot. Like you can see, I've not used it before, it's new. The claim is that it's a waterproof makeup locking mist, so it locks your makeup in and it's waterproof, which means that it can last under harsh weather conditions. So if you want to go swimming, this is probably a product that you want to use to lock your makeup in. I'm trying to see if there is any direct claim on it so that I read it out for you guys to see. So this is exactly what is written on the bottle. Nothing like a lightweight spray that locks and extends your makeup all day and some. That's exactly what this bottle filled with magic promises. Okay, I have already set my face and I actually used their other setting spray. This one is their Hydra Mist setting spray. This one doesn't have any outlandish claim, so I don't expect that it will do anything. I have a towel here which I'm going to try to see if my makeup is currently transferring. Then we will check after applying this one. So like I said, I set with this one already. Now a paper cloth, and I'm just lightly, I'm not rubbing. Okay, there's like a bit of, oh, I hope I've not ruined my makeup sharp. There's a bit of transfer on the paper, like you can see. So let's see what this does. Am I supposed to shake it? Oh, it may burst under extreme heated conditions. Okay, instructions: shake well before each use, avoid spraying in the eyes, keep them closed during application, spray generously 30 centimeters to 7 inches away from your face in a circular or zigzag back and forth motion around the face. This is a lot of work. So I'm shaking and shaking and shaking like they recommended, and now I'm just going to shut up, close my eyes, and apply in a zigzag up and down around the face motion. First impression, it has like a very strong gas smell and feel, and it chokes. I'm not going to lie, but it's not so bad. So I've done one application. I'm going to go again. So I used all the recommended, oh god, I need to allow this pass. So I used all of the recommended motion. I can actually feel like that drying effect on my skin when I use this. I'm trying to see if I can feel it on my hand, but there's like a feeling that I got after I applied this. Yeah, there's a feeling to it. I can confirm from the third spray. There's definitely a feeling to it. It feels like a matte primer, and my makeup definitely looks better. I think it's not as glowy as when I use this one. So this look I love. I would recommend that you always use like this before using it though. I'm not sure what it will look like if you use this product directly on your face, if it's going to just mattify everything. I'm not sure about that, but I think I'm glad that I used this one that made me a bit glowy before I used it. Well, enough talking. So this is the first paper cloth that I use. Like you can see, very little stain. So now I'm going to go in with a new one, and I'm going to place it on the same part of my face first, and then we'll do this part and see if there's a difference. So again, I'll just lightly tap. Okay. So this is what the paper towel looks like. It's almost clean. However, there's this bit here, but I think it's just like excess products that wiped off, but there's no stain on the cloth. So I'm going to use this side and then do this side. Let's see. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, see, it's coming to my face. Let's take that out and see. I think it's still the same thing. So this does something. It definitely does something, but it's up to you to decide if it's something that you want in your makeup kit.